Hi guys, in this lesson I will show you how to make holes for a pencil holder. So we look at this student's work, for example. Put this on one side. If I zoom in, you can see that this model has 7 holes. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in order to create this, we need to know the measurements from this side to this side and the width. So the length of this is 161 mil. So first step is click on Gridlock, make sure Gridlock selected, and just draw a rectangular shape. Don't worry about the measurements at this moment of time. Then we use a contour, so the 6th one down, click hold, and the 3rd one in. Click, type in the measurements 161, click OK. If you click close to the line, and you'll offset the line 161 mil. Click on the double click on the contour, set that to 30 mil, click on OK. Click close to the line and you will have a line 30 mil offset from this line. Click on the del any button, keep hold of it, click on the second delete button and delete the intersecting lines or the lines that you don't want. If I use this button, it will delete the whole shape. So you go back once, click on del and delete the lines that I don't require. So I need to make, in this example, 7 holes which are 10 millimeters. 7 holes which are 10 millimeters in diameter. So if I click on my circle tool, double click on this, and I can set my radius to 5 mil, which will give me a diameter of 10 mil. So click. Now remember the measurements for this. If I click on my dimension tool, click off Gridlock, use the attach tool, double click an end point, click on this end point, click on the end point. That should be 161, and this is 30 mil. So 161 divided by 7, 161 divided by 7 equals 23 millimeters. So the holes need to be a spacing between the space between each hole needs to be 23 millimeters. So click on the circle. Now you can either you can draw this or repeat the pattern. The quickest way to do this is click on draw, transform, rectangular array. This is a bit of trial and error. So in this example I need 7 columns, 7 holes, 1 row. The X spacing needs to be 23. Don't need to worry about the Y spacing because I've only got 1 row. And click on OK, and there you go. I've got 7 spaces. I've got 7 holes, distance of 23 mil. So I could check the distance if I click on. Actually, that really wouldn't work. Now to put these circles in the middle of this shape, I need to click on my line tool, double click on the attach, click on midpoint. So I need to create a center line. So if I click close to this line, it'll click onto the center. So click on this line, it attaches to the center. Then I can use my selection tool, highlight this shape, and then if I drag the shape from the middle, come closest line, it should automatically select the middle of this line. That's because I've used the attach tool which says midpoint. Click on OK, and there you go guys. So I've got 7 circles in the middle of the shape. Then I delete the line that I don't want. Now if I wanted to create a radius in this example, so this is straight, so no radius is required. But if you wanted to create a radius, click on the arc tool, go to the last one, and then you can change this. So if I click 5 mil, I'll create a 5 mil radius. If I double click this, 10 mil, and you can see the difference. Double click, 20 mil, right, and I say 3 mil. There you go guys, thanks for watching.